Pero hindi pa naka-recover. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. Wow, it's very cute. Let me see. Maganda dito sa Bacolod kasi sobrang lapit lang ng mga places. You don't judge any job, any work, anong status man yan, lahat-lahat. Kasi it has its own joys and pains.
Welcome to our back channel. Hi, my name's Ellie. Today I'm going and coloring. Tita Mimi already and Amy Rosie's so small.
The baby.
The baby. And he cannot talk pa. He can cry. Tita Mimi's no one make him nice. Did you remember? Like it's still baby, she's also small. Next is, let's draw. Go away.
What will you draw?
Go away. Go away. I will draw the letter.
How about Pepe? What will Pepe draw?
Color the farm. Color. How do you spell gift?
What?
How do you spell gift? Love?
Gift?
Yeah.
Gift.
Because I had to take care of Ayayay mommy. So I
Yeah,
slept
lasing
late.
nga. Oh my gosh. Kanina pagising, I cannot. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. We started, I don't know today. Kasi si Mommy may singaw na naman and it's a lot. So, wag kayong magulat if I talk na parang ano ba yan? Parang singaw. Parang sungaw. What do you want? What is that? Is that pancake? Sobrang antok ko talaga kasi yun nga, we slept very late na. Yung daddy, dapat 'di ba nauna akong matulog kasi may work ako in the morning. Pero yun nga, hindi ako makatulog. Talagang umiiyak na ako. Sa sakit ng parang nag-swell siya kasi. Tapos yung ginagamit ko na parang spray na we need to buy. Hindi kami nakabili kahapon. Tapos, yung pati payments namin, ubus na. So parang nag-take ako ng isang malakas kagabi, isang strong pain med. Kaya yun, tapos si Daddy, may na-search niya na ako. And that was late. So almost 2:30 na. So I really don't know what happened. Basta napansin ko na lang tulog na ako. Kasi nag-change back na ako ng position. Tapos si Daddy tulog na rin. So, grabe. Pero kanina, yung parang, I'm thankful kay Kai kasi hindi ko napansin lahat ng alarm ko. Imagine, nag-a-alarm ako sa here in my sa clock ko, sa watch ko. Tapos nag-a-alarm ako sa isang phone ko, nag-a-alarm din sa isang phone. Wala akong may narinig. I don't know why. Nakita ko na lang si Kai. Inaano niya na ako, parang ginigising niya na ako kasi tawag nito, nag-leak siya. So, thank you, Kai, for waking Mommy. Kung hindi, I will be very, very late for my work. And may training pa ako. So, yun siya. Wait lang. I will make a coffee. Yun ang goal ko ngayon. Just taking a break lang. make a coffee, tapos kwentuhan ko kayo. Ang daming nangyari. Ang daming nangyari for the past, I did not expect. Kaya parang mukha namin ni Daddy recovering. Sa kanya parang hindi pa naka-recover. Grabe yan niya. It's okay. And water update. Dumating na yung tubig namin. Honestly, for the past straight siya, 2 to 3 days. Saka wala na naman tubig. Talagang natanggap na siya namin. Parang may mga ano na kami ginagawa, ready na namin lahat. So, it's okay. Or sa kanya, naka-recover na ba yung likod mo? Sumakit kasi likod niya kakabuhat ng mga mga water. Ay nako. Make muna tayo coffee.
Read it.
I am safe of sea.
Yeah,
The gift is colorful. Let's open. So cute. Ah, you want to make coffee with mommy? Pipili mo na ba ba? Saluhoy man. What's? Ay, it's called her missing H. It's W-H-A-T. What's? Finger, baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how deep. This is so... Why are you laughing?
Mommy, sit down.
Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you?
Pinky
Yeah.
finger.
This baby finger is here now.
Pinky.
How about Fei finger?
Yeah.
Fei finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Where are you? No sleepers na naman. Hi, hi. Kai, come here, come back. No, you want to ride kay Daddy? You cannot ride. Mommy and is very busy. Yaya?
At my room. I'm safe of sea. The gift is colorful. Let's open what's inside. And the last together is it's a teddy bear. Like this, that's a teddy bear. And this is the gift. And we are so happy with our Pikachu. Let's do this.
Okay. Yeah, you show them your Pikachu sleepers. Sige, you wear it. You put it down and wear it.
I'll show you what am I going to wear.
Wow, it's very cute. Let me see. Very cute man. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Tudinggid ka mo makal. Very near lang man. Andiyan lang sa kabilang kanto. Yung water. Pero sama sila lahat. Okay, so that I can work. Bye-bye, Kai! Yes, Fei. Put Band-Aid to the dinosaur.
dinosaur. Mahilig siya sa dinosaurs ngayon. Abyayo to the other dinosaur and bring to the hospital. Oh, extend. This is our last. Daddy, okay na ang water?
It's here na.
Oh, what did you
Pero wala ko na.
It's okay. Nagbili sila ng ng water with all the kids. Ay, naku. Kasi natatama naman yung parang binibili namin. Okay na rin siya for for parang nakakasya na siya for the day namin. So, it's okay. Nakasanayan na siya. Alam na namin kung paano gawin. Yes, you will go home na.
Bye-bye.
We'll get ready. Ang dami namin pang errands later. Mag-grocery ako, lahat. Kasi sa lunch break. Ito yung maganda dito sa Bacolod. Kasi sobrang lapit lang ng mga places. Hindi talaga namin to kayang gawin sa Maynila. Maliban lang kung nasa baba yung yung nasa condo ka nakastay, tapos nasa baba yung tawag nito grocery. Pero dito kasi sobrang lapit lang. Pag nagka-car ka, parang 5 minutes andun ka na. So mamaya mag-lunch break. Mommy will sacrifice her lunch. Mag-grocery ako mabili sa Landers to buy our things kasi yun nga, hindi namin siya nagawa kahapon. May mga kulang. Ang mga importante lang muna. Tapos later naman, after work, doon ako magfo-full na grocery. Sa SM kasi ako nag-grocery. So, I think that's good. Then our Achi. Achi, I think you need to take a bath na.
Wait, just a little.
Achi.
Please not, okay? And you count from 1 and to 1.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Babat na.
No, 0.
0. Okay. Bali ang ganyan na sound, gutom? May water man, kasi maling food yung nabili namin, yung ganyan is for hamster. So, we need to buy na talaga some for guinea pigs. Adobo for lunch. Pero ang hirap i-taste. I'll call Daddy. Daddy, can you come here? Can you taste? Masakit yung singaw. Okay na. Isabaw ko lang para sa mga kids. Ato. Mama. Mama.
But Daddy, that's why Daddy gave Faye many toys. Like she has changing face, she has Lego blocks, she has clay. So whenever that happens, let them try together. But you save your load game. Load state. Load state.
It's lunchtime. Grabe. Diretso na ako kasi madaming meeting. Saka daming ganap sa work. Sakit na naman ng kulang singaw ko. Yung alam mo yon, kapag hindi ka makapagsalita or hindi mo siya ma-move ng ilang minutes lang, kapag magsalita ka ulit, sakit ulit. I think I will take na medicine. Ay, saka, umalis na sila ni Daddy and Ellie. Yung plan ko kanina na dapat lunchtime, labas ako. Hindi na nangyari kasi late na kami natapos sa meeting. Lunchtime na siya. So, sila na lang ni Daddy and Ellie. Tapos yung ibang errands namin, si Daddy na lang muna yung bibili. Kahit yung mga nagchat sa akin, hindi ko na nare-replyan. Sobrang siya, dire-diretso talaga with work. Alam mo, kahit talaga, work from home ka, it has its own challenges and struggles. Itong totoo yun. Especially kapag mabigat sa work, a lot of decision making. Siyempre, in my part ngayon, yung position kasi, it's a senior position na. So, parang may inaalagaan ka na. May mga desisyon na dapat ikaw mag-take, really taking charge na talaga. Kaya, mahirap siya. And if you're at home, nasasabay mo sila lahat, alam mo yun. May mga may mga pros siya na, kunyari, like, mabigat na yung dinaramdam mo, you have your kids that you can hug para gumaan-gaan ng konti or to change your mind. Pero meron ding minsan na you really just want to focus sana para matapos na siya, tapos move on ka na, ibang work naman, parang kapag sa office ka, yun lang isipin mo, tapos uwi ka sa bahay, tapos na parang ganun. Pero well, sabi ko nga, you really don't judge any job, any work, anong status man yan, lahat-lahat. Kasi it has its own joys and pains hindi natin nakikita. So, let it be. It's for us. Madidevelop mo lang talaga kung how you can manage everything. Kung anong sitwasyon mo at that time. It's your journey, personal journey mo yun with the Lord. Yan. Nag-something pa ako. Wait lang. Feeling ko gutom lang to and init. Grabe. Extra talaga. Kahapon, sobrang happy na namin kasi parang umaambon. Yung nag-dark siya. Ngayon, walang hangin. Tapos, ano ba yung tawag? Sobrang talaga, mainit. Masakit yung init sa labas. Kaya nga sinabihan ko sila kahit si Ellie. Magsuschool naman, mabuti lang talaga sa school nila, nothing to worry naman ako, aircon naman yung rooms nila, ganun. Pero yun, si Daddy na naman mamaya, minsan talaga kapag lalabas ka, kapag uwi ka, sobrang sama ng pakiramdam nila because of that. Kami nga dito sa bahay, natawa pa ako, kasi sabi ni Daddy, mag-on ka na ng aircon, parang ayaw ko na. Oh yeah, kasi 'di ba, yung bill, dumating na yung bill ng kuryente namin, goodness, times 2 because of the aircon. Nakamagawa. Nada. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Comfort or kaya ngayon, konting mamaya mag-on ako if hindi na kaya. Si Faye hindi pa naman ganun ka-cranky. Tapos si Kay kasi nap time niya na, so nag-aircon din sila sa taas. What is this? May puti. Grabe. So I'll eat first and let's see. Okay? Go, go, go. Kaya yan. Half day pa lang.